Netizens, nagtataka sa kapamilya ultimate leading man na si Piolo Pascual dahil pabata ng pabata ang kanyang itsura. May lahing vampira rin daw ang kapamilya ultimate leading man na si Piolo Pascual o si Papa P dahil pabata ng pabata ang kanyang itsura. True naman talaga na habang nagkakaedad ay mas lalong nagiging yummy si Papa P dahil bukod sa hang na hang pa rin ang kanyang katawan ay fresh na fresh din ang kanyang face ngayon. Nakachikahan si Piolo sa Intimate MediaCon para sa bukto ng kanyang hit ABS-CBN series na Pamilya Sagrado. Kasama ang sumusunod sa kanyang yapak na sina Kyle Echari at Cray Fernandez. Sa edad na 47, mas bata talaga siyang tingnan at aakalain mo ngang halos magkasing edad lang sila ni na Kyle at Cray. Ano nga bang sikreto ni Papa P sa kanyang youthful look at aura? Natawa munang award-winning actor sabay sabing, "I work every day. It's become routine for me to look presentable because of the work that I do, especially for this one, Pamilya Sagrado, with the Kingdom, with Bossing Vic Soto, MMFF 2024 entry. My director asked me about that, plus with my endorsement. That's why I always stay fit. It comes with the territory. I feel good. I'm in good shape. I don't get sick because as my director told me, wag ako magkakasakit. So I just try to take care of myself." Pag-share ni Papa P. Isa pa raw sa sikreto niya ay ang pagkakaroon ng peace of mind at ang positive outlook in life. When you have peace and your outlook in life is positive, it follows. I sleep a lot. I drink a lot of water. And self-love ba? I want to maximize my potential in whatever field and business I am in. I take care of myself. Pero knows nyo ba na walang sinusunod na diet si Piolo at wala siyang ipinagbabawal na pagkain sa kanyang sarili? Hindi ako nagda-diet. I do 1 meal a day. On some days, 1 big meal. I don't eat in the morning. I just eat late. I don't cut down or limit myself. When I eat, I just eat. Pagbabahagi pa ng tatay ni Inigo Pascual. Naibahagi rin ni Piolo ang pagkakaroon ng mas matinding energy at excitement para sa kanyang career. When I was turning 40, I wanted to quit. I wanted to live while I was still on top of my game. I was humbled by the Lord. Ang dami pang projects. How can I dare refuse or resist work that comes my way? You can be a conduit or a vessel of your some projects that can help people. Nagkakaroon ako ng renewed excitement because during the pandemic, ang boring pala nung wala kang ginagawa. Di ko pa pala kayang walang ginagawa sa buhay. I don't want to be unproductive. And since the start of pandemic, nung naglusan na siya, di na talaga ako tumigil. Anya. Dagdag pa niya, I did 4 movies during the pandemic and kept doing stuff left and right. And I worked hard and hasn't stopped since then. It's really about trying to bring a A-game every time so I don't compromise or feel regret after. Samantala, excited na si Papa P na mapanood ang book number 2 ng Pamilya Sagrado kung saan ginagampanan niya ang karakter ng politikong si Rafael Sagrado na naging Pangulo na ng Pilipinas.